You really thought you'd just walk out of my realm? Find her. Come on, little thief. Where did you run to? There you are. Winter doesn't show mercy. Not like this. For you, it seems to make an exception. You should be dead. So why won't the world let you go? You're trouble wrapped in frostbite, and I keep dragging you back anyway. Every hour I keep you breathing, you owe me another. Sleep while you can. When you wake up, we still have a debt to discuss.